All right, make sure to like and subscribe for more content. I'm going to keep this real short. If you have a pull start generator, they're not all identical, but they're similar when it comes to starting a generator. This is going to be a guide to show you how to start a Coleman Powermate 6250. It's a pull start. It's got the 305 Gen Power. It's a Briggs & Stratton, and it's a pull start. But I also have a Honda EM 1600X over here. They're very, very similar. You just turn on the gas, you turn on the switch. The only thing that's different is there's a different switch on this one than there is on that, and then you have to adjust the choke to give it a little bit extra fuel when you first start it when you do the pull. So what we're going to do here is first we got this set up, so we flipped at the handle over here and put these pins in to lock the handle in place so I can wheel this outside. Okay, then like I said, there's only 3 steps here. So there's the on switch, you flip that on. Okay, I'm turning it back off for now. And then this is the gas. So you have to unscrew it about 14 turns to get it decent, but it's different for each valve on each generator. And then this is where you set the choke to full choke. So really all I do is I flip the switch on, open the fuel, flip the choke on, and then I give it a pull. That's it. And with this generator over here, that's the on switch right there, okay? And then for this one, you flip this up to turn on the fuel, and then the choke is right there. So you flip the choke over this way like that to turn on the choke, all right? And then once you've got those on, you give it a pull. Now you might be wondering, how do I get power out of this thing? I'm freaking out. Don't worry. So on each of these, there's a circuit. And there's these switches that turn on or off the circuit, okay? And it might switch these two from the 240 to the 120, depending on how big the generator is. So the only other thing you might have to do is hit one of these switches to either turn on or off the circuit, okay? Same thing goes for the Honda over here. And like I said, this is similar on a lot of generators. This turns the circuit on. So once you have it on, you got it running, you have to flip this on to get the electricity to come out of that. And then you plug your extension cord into that. So I'm going to go ahead and start this one up real quick to show you guys. Okay, so make sure to have those 2 pins in. I'm going to wheel this out here. You also want to make sure that your muffler, when you find your muffler, see it down there, you don't want to point that towards the house. You want to point it away and not get too close to anything, or it'll melt the siding or your car's paint. So you got to be careful with the muffler. Don't run it inside your garage, obviously. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to flip on the switch. Okay, I'm going to turn on the fuel. Okay, and then we're going to turn the choke on. Okay, and then we're going to give it a pull. That's it. Thanks for watching.